Hey, good day, everybody. Welcome to a sneak peek of an OpenBOM release for import. I've got a new account right here. I also have a bill of materials that I created for an e-bike. I just knocked out some information from ChatGPT. I threw it together in a LibreOffice document. Got some costing. You can see I've got a column here just called QTY, PN for part number. Got some levels because I'm kind of building this out multi-level. And I am going to import this into OpenBOM and watch how this works now. No more managing folders or um, catalogs separately. I'm just going to drag this right in here. I'm going to tell OpenBOM to automatically determine the properties. We look for part number, quantity, the type of level you're using, and we just import it. We're going to build the catalog, the BOM, the multi-levels, all in one operation. Here we go. That's it. I've got a multi-level bill of material right now. Images, part numbers, costing, all came through vendor information. Some of the stuff I didn't have price costing for, but I can just go ahead and I can go ahead and fill that in now that I'm doing a little more work, and we can start to complete this BOM. So anyway, that is uh, uh, OpenBOM import, single file import. That is in the early August release. Enjoy.